Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Is the former governor of Rivers State and now Minister of the Federal Capital Territory Abuja, Nyesom Wike, plotting to contest against Tinubu, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, in 2027? That is the question that is seeking an answer. But somebody has provided an answer to it. And we have to look at what this person is saying, why this person believes that Nyesom Wike will contest against Bola Ahmed Tinubu in 2027. And then I will tell you my own take on this issue. Now, the national chairman of Zenith Labour Party, Chief Dan Nwanyanwu. Chief Dan Nwanyanwu is not a newbie in politics. He was the national chairman. He used to be the national chairman of Labour Party, the same Labour Party you know, the same Labour Party that produced Peter Obi as its presidential candidate in 2023, the same Labour Party that many people believe won the 2023 presidential election. It was allegedly snatched away from them through alleged manipulation of election by those who are put in charge of it. It is the same Labour Party, okay, who their mandate was allegedly stolen through glitches in electronic transmission of the result. That's the same Labour Party that Dan Nwanyanwu was their chairman. In fact, it was under Dan Nwanyanwu. The only time Labour Party did well was under Dan Nwanyanwu as chairman before Peter Obi came in. That was when Dr. Olusegun Mimiko, through Labour Party, emerged the governor of Ondo State. That was what brought Labour Party to limelight for the first time before Peter Obi now came and take it to the moon. Okay? So this is the man talking about it, because I want you to understand who is talking, so that you'll be able to understand whether he has the capacity or the political insight to be able to project and say that Nyesom Wike, the former governor of Rivers State and the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja right now, will contest against his principal, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, in 2027. And why did Dan Nwanyanwu, appearing on Arise TV, believe that Nyesom Wike will contest against Bola Ahmed Tinubu in 2027? He based it on one, Nyesom Wike's determination to hold on to the structure, so-called structure in Rivers State, for which he is at daggers drawn with Governor Simi Fubara. And then Nyesom Wike's hold on APC in Rivers State too. Don't forget, the APC that is recognized in Rivers State is the APC that is loyal to Nyesom Wike, not the APC that is loyal to Chibi Kerotimi Amechi, who is actually the true leader of APC in Rivers State. But that one, they are having a cold war with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and Ganduje. So those ones have been pushed aside. But the original APC in Rivers State, they are in the hands of Amechi. But the splitter APC, which Tinubu and Co. and Ganduje helped to force in Rivers State, they are in the hands of Nyesom Wike. So Nyesom Wike is controlling APC in Rivers, controlling PDP in Rivers. He's also controlling APC at the national level and the PDP at the national level. At least APC at national level, not that he's controlling to the level of Bola Ahmed Tinubu, but he's controlling to the level that it is his own people that are recognized in Rivers State. The APC in Rivers State is what is recognized in Abuja. That was why if you look at board appointments that had been made, that were picked from APC in Rivers State, they are mainly picked from the APC that are loyal to Nyesom Wike, the Tony Okocha-led caretaker committee that Nyesom Wike foisted on the APC in Rivers State, and is recognized in Abuja. Okay, then his hold on the PDP at the national level. So this man looked at it and then went through the antecedent. He said he has looked at some of the commitments that Nyesom Wike has made in the past, over 20 commitments. He never fulfilled any of them. So he now arrived to the conclusion that if he cannot be trusted in all those avowal he made before, why should you trust him that he will not contest? Because already he will not contest against Bola Ahmed Tinubu. He said if he's not interested in contesting, let him leave Rivers State alone. Let him allow the structure in Rivers State and concentrate in his duties in Abuja. That's the argument he's making, that Dan Nwanyanwu was making. So he believes strongly that Nyesom Wike will contest against Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And he predicted that Nyesom Wike is likely to leave his administration by 2026 or thereabout to concentrate in challenging Bola Ahmed Tinubu for the seat, for the presidency. That is his position. But because all of us know that already Nyesom Wike has started campaigning for Bola Ahmed Tinubu for 2027. You can see every other thing he's doing and saying it. Most of the time it's all about how loyal he is to Bola Ahmed Tinubu. That Bola Ahmed Tinubu will, that they will support him in 2027. Okay? Ordinarily, these are the kind of things that, being a PDP person, he ought to be sanctioned for anti-party activities. But already many people could see the PDP at the national level is in the back pocket of Nyesom Wike. So putting all these things together, this man is saying, that one is saying, look, this man is ambitious. He's going to challenge Bola Ahmed Tinubu in 2027. Because perhaps he's basing this because that's 2027 is still the turn of the South to produce president. So he wants to, that Wike will challenge him. He's insisting on that Wike will challenge Bola Ahmed Tinubu. But you know, in politics, anything is possible. But I have my own position on that. Now, before I go on to tell you my own position, if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you and God bless you. Now, let me tell you what I think that Nyesom Wike is doing. My own analysis. And then I have gotten this kind of analysis right severally. Nyesom Wike, as far as I can see, want to destroy PDP permanently. Nyesom Wike want to destroy PDP permanently. That PDP will be buried. PDP will be buried. That the carcass that will be left behind of the PDP, even Atiku Abubakar can make virtually nothing out of it in 2027. and then he will move to the All Progressive Congress. I do not think that the idea of the lawmakers in Rivers State moving to APC I don't think it was an afterthought. I thought that it was a deliberate effort to send people to the APC while he solidified the destruction of the People's Democratic Party. Of course, the thing turned out bad because those lawmakers that took that route, their seats has now been declared vacant under Section 109, 1G of the 1999 Constitution, which made it clear that when you differ from a party that sponsored you to another party, when there is no crisis in that party, you have lost your seat. There are a lot of Supreme Court ruling on that we don't have to belabor ourselves about it. It backfired on them. But those movements to the APC, I see it as deliberate, the forerunners to go and stay in APC while they are coming, while the Nyesom Wike will do the last move to the APC after maximally burying People's Democratic Party as we know it. And then after that, Nyesom Wike is hoping to help Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the APC to win the 2027 presidential election. But as I keep saying in this channel, the All Progressive Congress, as we know it, as it is, cannot win any free and fair election in Nigeria. So there's no way that Nyesom Wike can be able to help Bola Ahmed Tinubu to get re-elected in 2027 in a free and fair election. No. If Nigerian people were to speak, they will reject Bola Ahmed Tinubu, having experienced his 4 years, the same way they rejected him in 2023 election. Don't forget, in that election, despite all the things that happened, Bola Ahmed Tinubu was declared winner of the election with only 8.7 million votes. Atiku Abubakar got 6.9 million votes. Peter Obi of the Labour Party got 6.1 million votes. That is if we are to believe the INEC figures, which many do not believe. Now, Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso, 1.4 million votes. Now, if you calculate the votes of Atiku Abubakar, Peter Obi, and Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso, their votes are almost 15 million votes. These are votes of rejection of Bola Ahmed Tinubu. These are votes of rejection of Bola Ahmed Tinubu, even after everything INEC did. Okay, so it means that Nigerians overwhelmingly rejected him. Overwhelmingly rejected him in 2023. And they are going to do the same thing again in 2027. Especially look at what they are passing through under the administration of the APC. So there's even I don't see why anybody in APC can campaign for anything. On the whole basis they will be campaigning in 2027. What they will tell Nigerians, those who are able to be alive by 2027, if hunger didn't kill the vast majority of Nigerians before then, those who will be alive at that time, what the APC will come and tell them is the reason why they should be allowed to continue in power, or for Bola Ahmed Tinubu to continue to be president. So, as far as I can see it, there's no way APC can win in 2027 in a free and fair election. Therefore, there is no way Wike can help them to win in a free and fair election. But if the election of 2027 is allowed to be like the election of 2023, where INEC will just do whatever they want to do, and Nigerians allow them to get away with it, then Nyesom Wike is hoping that INEC will announce that Bola Ahmed Tinubu has won 2027 presidential election with so and so million votes. In that case, Nyesom Wike would take it that he has done them a favor, helping to destroy PDP and helping them to get re-elected. And then Nyesom Wike will be packaging himself to be loved by Senator Shetima, the vice president, because by Vice President Shetima is likely to want to become president in 2031, because by that time, under the zoning arrangement of North and South, power ought to return to the North, and Shetima being the vice president, and if Bola Ahmed Tinubu has agreed with him that he should succeed him and INEC do what they do, then Nyesom Wike will be hoping to be a vice presidential candidate to Kashim Shetima, and then hoping that from there he can move on to become president in future. So what I see is Nyesom Wike plotting to be vice president in APC in 2031, hoping to become president. So I don't think that Nyesom Wike will contest against Bola Ahmed Tinubu in 2027. That's my own position on it. But Nyesom Wike has presidential ambition. But I think he will want to start from 2031 to be a running mate to Kashim Shetima, so that from there anything can happen. That is what I think should be a much more objective view of what Nyesom Wike is planning, as he is dancing to the tune of Bola Ahmed Tinubu today. So I don't share Nwanyawu's position that he will contest against Bola Ahmed Tinubu in 2027. No. He would like to help Bola Ahmed Tinubu and Kashim Shetima the way he helped them in Rivers in 2027. The way he helped them in 2023. He want to help them again in 2027, and hoping that they will recognize his effort. Already he's warming himself into the heart of Kashim Shetima. You can see how serious he was about ensuring that Kashim Shetima's official residence is well constructed, and to test, to show his loyalty to Kashim Shetima and to the administration of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. So that's my take on the issue of Nyesom Wike's presidential ambition. It is not something that he will face. He would like to challenge Bola Ahmed Tinubu directly in 2027. I do not buy that idea. But I know that he is targeting presidential ticket, but not in 2027, but from 2031. That's my take on this. Thank you for watching this video thus far, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.